All right, guys, so we have the BILT hard electric tiller. It's the 14-inch 10 amp. We're unboxing it right now. We're going to put it together here, and then we're going to put it to use and give you our review about it. So in the box, you've got your manual, you've got your components here. So let me go ahead and pause the video. We'll put it on a one of those things that speed ups the video. But yeah, we'll put it on one of those and then get back to you. All right, real quick update. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver because of this screw right here. In order for the base, in order for these base things to go in, the screw has to be unscrewed. So it does not come with a Phillips head screwdriver, but you need one to undo that in order to get this screwed back in. So we'll put it back on a time lapse and finish this thing up. Okay, there we have it, guys. So really easy to put together. One thing to mention, don't tighten these all the way when you're putting them on. Leave them loose so you can fit both in. And then the last piece is on these wheels. They have this little metal that you have to bend. I use my finger. It's not that hard to bend, but you may need some pliers. So yeah, let's put this thing to the test.